Today we're looking at our two-door pizza bakery counter. The unit comes in two brands. We're looking at the Atosa model here, the 3495. We also stock it in the defrost PR1510G. The main features of both units is 1500 left to right with a full 800 deep granite worktop. Two doors stay open at 90. In the bakery world, it will take a full-size bakery tray, which is 400 by 600, or if you're using it for pizza, it will also take the plastic 600 by 400 dough box. The normal door seals, push fit door seals, heavy duty brackets on the doors, mobile on castors. The controller is a Corel controller, very economical kilowatts per annum. It's 511 kilowatts per annum, so it's very efficient, and you can put your 1500 topper on it, which fits over here, or you can just use it as a bakery or a pizza counter.